Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Are you interested in doing a new business in Chad or expanding an existing one, or simply learning more about how to start a business in Chad? Then you have arrived to the right place and you must watch the complete video with us. With NPCS, smooth your startup launch in Chad. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. If you are still on the fence about starting your own business, the following list of reasons why you should start a business in Chad might help convince you to go ahead and do it. First, a country full of opportunities. The business environment in Chad is relatively attractive, especially when compared to other African countries. The World Bank ranked Chad 111th out of 183 economies for ease of doing business. It ranks higher than other sub-Saharan nations. It also has an advantageous geography due to its central location. It's an ideal starting point for businesses that want to branch out into different regions of Africa. Second, safe and stable compared to other African countries. The economy of Chad is relatively small but stable and growing, with GDP growth of 5.9% last year and 6.3% expected next year. It is considered one of Africa's best performing economies by market analysts. It is also considerably safe for foreign investors compared to its neighbors in West and Central Africa. This stability has made it an attractive location for companies seeking cheaper manufacturing options than those available elsewhere in the continent. Third, Chad is an untapped market. Chad's ongoing development presents opportunities for medium and large-scale projects in oil exploration, power generation and distribution, especially solar, mining, livestock, agribusiness, telecommunications, and infrastructure. There are opportunities in niche markets such as gum arabic and natural products like shea butter, spirulina, and moringa, as well as opportunities to develop value-added products such as meat products and other processed agricultural goods. NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities, such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technological, technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Also, click on the bell icon. Don't forget to comment us if you have liked our video. Please write to us what you are thinking about our videos and what videos you want to watch more about. Please visit our website for more information. And also you can reach us at You can follow us on other social media platforms. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.